Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. Please join me and APQC on July 31st for Manufacturing Engagement, smart strategies to keep your top talent and best customers from becoming someone else's. In this webinar, you're going to learn simple strategies to create the type of culture that keeps your employees loyal. Same thing with your customers, because face it, you spend so much time, money, and effort to bring those customers, to bring those employees in, and then they leave. What do you do? Tune in July 31st and you'll learn some simple strategies that you can implement right away. I'm Lisa Ryan and I will see you on July 31st. Thank you.